My name is Viktoria Feigl, and I would like to introduce you the research group of Environmental Microbiology and Biotechnology. Our group is working at the Faculty of Chemical Technology and Biotechnology at the Department of Applied Biotechnology and Food Science. This is basically our group. It is led by Dr. Monika Molnár, and our main research interests are in environmental risk assessment of chemicals and the characterization of chemicals and contaminated sites. And our main methods to do it is environmental toxicology and environmental microbiology. In environmental toxicology, we use small test organisms, you can see them on this banner, to predict the effect of chemicals on the ecosystem. And we have some interest in nanomaterials such as nanotitanium dioxide and nanographene oxide. We started to use environmental toxicology in the industry recently. So basically using these methodologies to predict the environmental effect of products, waste, and also the chemicals applied during a technological process, mainly in the chemical industry. And we also work on an interesting area of microbiology, which is microbial communication. So how microbes interact with each other. And actually we can influence this communication by adding certain molecules like cyclodextrins to this system. And this could be really important in certain areas, like to prevent biofilm formation on surfaces or microbial corrosion. We work on the development of soil remediation and amelioration technologies. We usually apply waste and waste-derived products for these purposes, so to go towards the zero waste concept, such as biochars, which are made from pyrolysis, by pyrolysis from waste materials, bauxite residues, also called red muds, and fly ashes. And we have an environmental engineering database that's been operating for quite a few years now. We have participated in two H2020 projects. One was the Electra project. It's ended last year. And this was basically our colleagues developed groundwater and soil remediation technologies for all kinds of contaminants with bioelectrochemical methodologies. And we used ecotoxicology assessment to follow up the performance of these technologies to prove their environmental performance. And another interesting participation was the SCALE project, led by a large alumina factory in Greece. And they produced scandium from bauxite residue and also titanium dioxide waste. And we used, again, environmental toxicology and environmental risk assessment to follow up their processes. We have also participated, of course, in several national and international projects. And I'm happy to share, and we are quite excited to start a new project this year. This was funded by an EGP Soil International call, and we will use biochar composites for soil treatment. And we just recently got the news that we will also participate in a Marie Curie staff exchange project, where partners develop technologies for basically emerging pollutant contaminated waters. We are quite open for collaboration in new projects, in environmental monitoring, ecotoxicology, environmental risk assessment, and also technology development for soil and water, contaminated soils and waters. And I have enlisted some of the horizon calls that we are happy to cooperate in soil treatment, water treatment, waste reuse. And thank you for your attention.